Well, I don't know how you're coping in the heat. It's absolutely scorching hot. I'm melting. I looked at the car this morning when I set off to come to Micklefield, which is where I am now, and it was already at 9 o'clock saying 27 degrees on the temperature gauge. So that just shows you. We're here to meet a lady called Annabelle, who runs this wonderful fruit farm. Annabelle, how are things? Because it's really hot and you're trying to grow strawberries and they're looking not great.
No, they're not. So we planted this field 10 days ago. And we're really concerned because it hasn't had the time to get the root structure, to really be able to absorb the water and nutrients. So we are watering with nutrients at night when it's cooler and water in the day, sending the sprayer through with just cold water just to try and cool them down and give the leaves some moisture. But you can see, dry as a crisp.
Yeah, and I mean, every time you do that and look at a plant, are you thinking money?
Yeah, absolutely. So this crop would probably start around early September, which takes us through to mid-October. At Annabelle's Deliciously British, we do from May to October, continuity of supply for our customers. And this, these should be yielding probably half a kilo a plant. We may be looking at half of that. Problem is, then your costs are then spread over a much smaller yield, which therefore means there's probably no margin.
And I know you've had to adapt how you work. The sort of daily routine's changed, hasn't it, during this extreme weather?
Yeah, so the guys started at 4 o'clock this morning. We're finishing by 10:30, 11 o'clock. The guys are then going, to use the power showers, go inside and just have some downtime. And then again, we'll do the same tomorrow. Thankfully, on Wednesday, it's looking like we're back to 20 degrees, which, we can cope with.
Right. Well, we'll look forward to that when it gets a bit cool. I know some people out there really love the weather being like this. I hope you're enjoying it, but do stay safe. It's very important to drink that water and slap on the sun cream. And we'll see how the day develops.